Hi guys, this is Joe and I wanted to say thank you for watching my video today. This is about getting paid cash for your home. It does not matter what shape it's in. So if you're looking to get paid cash for your home, we have a team of investors who will pay you cash for your home, no matter what shape it's in, no matter if it's on its last legs, trash piled up to the ceiling, grass is waist high, the home is in foreclosure, short sale, or notice of default. There are liens on the home, we'll buy it. So why do people sell their homes for cash? People sell their homes all the time and for many different reasons. They inherited a family home that they don't have time or money to fix up. They lost their job and can no longer afford their payments. Divorce, probate is finished and no one wants the home. These are just a few reasons on why you would want to sell your home for cash. So the good thing is no appraisal is necessary. Once the terms of the sale are agreed upon by buyer and seller, you don't have to worry about waiting to see if the buyer qualifies, and you don't have to worry about the home appraising for less than the purchase price. You'll have cash in your account without all the hassle. Sorry about that. So you can sell your home for cash. Call 916-599-5678 for more information. My name is Joe. I'm based out of Sacramento, California, and we have a team of investors who will pay you cash for your home. And pretty much about 100-mile radius of the Sacramento market, there are circumstances that may make that a wider circle, but that's kind of what we focus on. So we are definitely looking for homes in Sacramento and the area. And we will buy your home for cash. So fast closings means that you'll have money in your account in days, not months. So once again, that number is 916-599-5678. Thanks for watching this video.